There is a lot of hype going around Devin, who is a next generation coding model, in my humble opinion. It is nothing more than that, but the way it is being presented at the moment in the media, it seems that it has already achieved AGI, or artificial general intelligence, where it can think by itself. That is not really the case. It is awesome model, no doubt about that, and the whole technology around it is really shiny, but still we are nowhere near AGI. It is being touted that Devin can easily replace any engineer in any setting, and I mean the human one. I don't think so. I have seen some of the demos on this website of Cognition Lab, who are the creators of Devin. It is great, but still, it is just yet another model with more intelligence, more smartness. Devin is certainly like a skilled, untiring AI partner who can work with you or by itself on a coding problem to get the task done for you to check out. Still, it would need a lot of hand holding. It's not that you will just throw some real world problem to it and it is going to solve it. That is not going to happen. So with Devin around, software engineers can tackle cooler challenges and aim for bigger dreams as a team. So if you're a software engineer, there is no reason to get scared of Devin, because Devin is still not at the stage to replace your job. It is there to complement you while you do your job. Devin is smart at planning, and it can certainly do complicated software jobs that need a lot of decision and graphs. It also has got a good memory where it remembers the details, also keeps the context intact, and also has some self healing or self correcting coding capabilities. Devin can quickly learn new tech stuff. For instance, it can create hidden messages, images after reading about it on a blog, but same can be done by ChatGPT 4. Devin can also make and launch full websites. A lot of other models can do it. Devin can spot and fix error in software on its own. So if you give a software chunk to GPT-4 or even to Star Coder, the open source model, it can also spot the bugs and it can also give you the correct code. There is nothing rocket science about it. That this is so last year. Devin can handle bugs and feature requests in open source projects, setting everything up just from the GitHub link. So one of the things which everyone is talking about, that Devin actually went to the website Upwork and did the real paid jobs, like writing and troubleshooting code for a computer vision project. That is good, but the only good thing about is that Devin was able to detect the website element and then was able to get the job done from Upwork. There are a lot of models who can do or which can do the same job. So Devin is great, but don't fall for the hype. It's not something which is going to erase all the rest of the technology, especially the coding model. If you go to this website, they have shared a lot of videos here where I'm not going to play them due to the copyright issues, but you can play it out. For example, they are saying that Devin can learn how to use unfamiliar technologies and all that stuff, autonomously find and fix bugs in code bases. And there are a lot of examples which are quite good. I'm not undermining the effort of these guys, but what I'm saying is that it is not something which is going to make everything else obsolete overnight. Let me show you one of the example from the Twitter which I just stumbled upon to see how Devin works. So you can see it's the same chat interface like any other chat model, and we have given it a prompt that benchmark Llama 2 on some of the three benchmarks. And then Devin has gone in, it has created a plan, and from that plan it is going to implement that plan. It is just similar to any autonomous AI agent. There you go. So it has created it, it has logged in, created a tell there your Python code for benchmarking, and it has also went into all the website of Perplexity, Google together to get their APIs. This is a cool thing. And this is something the RPA bots do normally, and I did another video on those. So this is where it is shining, and that is a real good thing. There you go. So you can see, but this thing where it is saying that Devin has added print statements for code instrumentation, this is not something new. There you go. So it has produced the results. So as I said, I'm going to drop the link to it in video's description. Have a play around. Let me know what do you think. And as for parting, they have also evaluated Devin on this software engineering benchmark, which is a set of standardized tests or evaluation criteria designed to measure and compare the performance of software engineering tasks or systems in conditions that represent or mimic actual usage as closely as possible. So there are a few things they test in this one, like code execution speed, resource efficiency, like how much memory CPU disk space is being used, scalability, reliability and error handling, user experience and responsiveness, that how quickly and effectively a system responds to a user inputs in a real world scenario, and then maintenance and adaptability, that how easily software can be updated or modified to meet changing requirements or environments. So there are a lot of things, but you can see on this SWE benchmark, Devin has beaten the rest of the lot by huge margins. So I'm actually a bit surprised to see that how come Claude 2 is way more performant than GPT-4. I'm really surprised. I mean, let's forget Devin for a moment. Look at this one. I mean, how can Claude 2 beat GPT-4? I have used both. Claude is great, especially the Claude 2. But I still find that GPT-4 is the world's number one model, even if it's a closed source, Claude 2 is. But that is why I have few doubts on this graph. The need to check it in person. Of course, there's a waiting list to check these stuff, Devin. So whenever it is released or I get the access, maybe I will create another video and we can do some real world scenarios on it. So try it out. Let me know what do you think. Do you think that this is going to get rid of software engineers, replace the software engineers? Because that is the biggest fear at the moment in the software engineering community. My verdict, I don't think so, that Devin is going to replace any of the software engineering job. Yes, it can handle end-to-end software projects, but you would still need humans to do the actual grunt work, not the grunt work, the real intelligence work there. And also, the people who have used it in the initial preview, they say that it is quite slow. So let's wait and to see how it goes. Very impressive product, but not going to do the AGI at the moment. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.